What was the first robot in history? The first robot in the modern sense, the one that launched an entire industry, was a massive, one-armed machine named the Unimate. It wasn't designed to be a companion or an evil villain. Its purpose was simple yet revolutionary: to perform dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs that no human wanted to do. It all started with a visionary partnership. The robot was conceived by George Devol, a brilliant engineer who filed the foundational patents for a programmed article transfer. He had the idea, but it was Joseph Engelberger, a forward-thinking entrepreneur, who saw its true potential and brought the idea to life. Together, they are known as the fathers of the robotics revolution. In 1961, the very first Unimate was installed at a General Motors plant in New Jersey. Its job was to weld hot die-cast metal parts to a car chassis, a repetitive, physically demanding, and extremely hazardous task. This was a monumental step. For the first time, a machine could be taught to do a series of complex tasks by simply programming it, not by rebuilding it. The Unimate's success was proof. It showed the world the immense potential of automation and marked the official birth of the industrial robotics industry. It paved the way for the sophisticated assembly line robots we see today, and its legacy lives on in every automated process around the globe.